Who are you? What do you do?
I'm Jenna Ba. I'm Global Ambassador for Tanqueray and No.TEN.
So how did you first get into the hospitality industry?
I think we threw a party and then it turned into a bar. The first cocktail I've ever made was kind of a caipirinha at first. And then slowly you just meet people and you realize, this is amazing.
What is the best hospitality you've ever received or experienced?
It's so hard to say because we experience incredible hospitality in many ways every day. But I have one experience that was really humbling. A tiny bar in the middle of nowhere, but what they were doing was really caring for everyone in a way that you could feel this is a bar made by them, for them, and their neighbors.
Amazing, perfect. And last question is, what does hospitality mean to you?
It means feeling. It means being aware of the feelings that you can share with people and how that makes them feel. Because you get the chance to impact someone's day, and then they can go happier out of the venue and spread some happiness.